First of all, thank you very much, Dr. Sharma. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, everybody present here. I must say that this is not much that I've done for this event, excepting being here this morning. And it's a team, Raktim and Jyoti, etc. They put it together. It's a brilliant show. I would not take much time. I would just like to share a story of a traveler called Ibn Battuta. He was in in the 14th century. It's a Moroccan traveler who said that travel first makes you speechless, then makes you a storyteller, turns you into a storyteller. Now we done news network, so we don't tell much stories there. So this is the only opportunity that we've taken to tell stories and share our happiness with everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming in.
Big round of applause to Mr. Barun Das. Thank you so much, Barun ji, for being here. And of course, without wasting any more time, former Minister of State for Culture and Tourism, Mr. Mahesh Sharma, हमारे साथ मौजूद होने के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. Please, आप कुछ कहिए.
Thank you, Barun, for the simplicity and humility you have shown. That he didn't do anything, but it happened. Otherwise, people take credit of what they have not done. And he is not shirking his responsibility, but giving credit to all his team leaders. And that's what is happening of a good leader. He gives credit for his team members, and that should be the spirit. And that's why he has taken TV9 to that height. That is, we see watching when it comes at number 1. So, कोई कहते हैं ना, कोई ऐसे ही TV9 तो वहाँ ऊंचाई तक नहीं पहुँच जाता, कुछ तो हस्ती होगी कि मिटती नहीं हमारी. Good of TV9 team and Barun ji and the team leader. Good of Jyoti ji, Apratim ji, Jyotsna ji, Amit ji. Jyotsna ji कहाँ हैं? Jyotsna Suri ji, my teacher. When I became minister, where is she? She's around. So congratulations for this event. I have the privilege of being the Tourism and Culture Minister under leadership of the great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who understood the importance of this. I was a doctor, and he gave me 3 ministries: the tourism, culture and civil aviation. Civil aviation team, I can see a lot of people over here. So when I asked Prime Minister that what is, आप हमारे colleague ऊपर आइए.
Come, Jyoti ji, please come. Raktim, Amit, come.
आओ ऊपर आओ. और ज्योत्सना जी को भी बुलाओ, भाई कहाँ है? ढूंढ के लाओ.
Amit, come.
और अगर ना मिले तो खोया पाया, कुंभ की तरह खोया पाया काउंटर पे बता दो कि ज्योत्सना जी इज मिसिंग. तो जब मैंने पीएम से पूछा कि सर क्या सोच के एक डॉक्टर को आपने ये टूरिज्म कल्चर मिनिस्ट्री दे दी और सिविल एविएशन दे दिया, तो व्हाट वाज द थीम बिहाइंड वाज दैट इंडिया हैज गॉट ए रिच कल्चर एंड दैट इज इट्स स्ट्रेंथ. हाउ टू कैरी द एसेंस ऑफ दैट रिच कल्चर via mode of tourism and giving wings of aviation to the corners of the world. अगर एविएशन नहीं हो तो ये टूरिज्म कल्चर यहीं दिल्ली का ही बन के रह जाएगा. अगर हमें इसे वर्ल्ड के कोने में ले जाना है, so our team from civil aviation, the Egypt Airs and all those Indigos, all those airlines people gathered over here, I think they are important. And thanks to TV9 team and Barun ji for making this event happen. So there is something big behind this. Indian tourism industry comes to the tune of 6.82% of GDP of India. And I being a doctor, I am concerned about the medical tourism also. Medical tourism growth in India has been 25% against normal tourism growth, which has been only about 6 to 10%, where India also proceeded with 9% growth after this Modi's government. So we can very well imagine what can be the importance of such organizing such shows and B2B meetings. And future of India is great. Future India will be the leader, is the leader, and now we have a leader. So I think I must congratulate all the participants, and the outcome of this organization show will be fruitful. My good wishes and good luck to all and everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahesh Sharma.